Our next awardee is Dr. Greenwald, and she is Da Costa Professor of Biology at the Department of Biological Sciences at Columbia University and Professor of Biochemistry and Molecular Biophysics at the Columbia University's Vagelos College of Physicians and Surgeons. And she's chosen the Clarinet Quintet in A major, K581, by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart.
Maybe I should wait so we could hear more of the music. I am not a not shy person, so this is even more overwhelming for me, perhaps. I want to start by thanking the Gairdner Foundation and the selection committee for this incredible honor, and Paige, Jocelyn, Sarah, and everyone associated with the foundation for their kindness and support, and for making this an amazing week, and you too. I can't even really begin to express everything I'm feeling now. It's just been an amazing week. I also would like to congratulate all the other winners for their just amazing, fantastic, impactful work. And hearing the great talks has only made me more honored and humbled to be considered in their company. So I want to thank all the members of my lab, past and present, for sharing the joy of discovery, but also for the wonderful community. We've shared the ups and downs of doing science together, and they have always been supportive of each other and of me. I'm still close with many, and they've enriched my life beyond the work they did in my lab. And I couldn't be more proud of how much they have achieved afterwards, too. I want to express my gratitude to the worm community. I know that sounds a little weird. That's what we call ourselves. Having been a fellow traveler in other communities at time in my professional journey, I appreciate even more the collegiality of mine. And there have been many other friends and colleagues along the way, that some of whom I had on my slide, and I'm still not going to get a chance to thank them by name here. And I'm also indebted to my teachers at Cornell and MIT that set me on the path to be a scientist. I would like to step outside of our science world for a moment and acknowledge an enormous debt to my parents, long gone now. They were children of very poor immigrants and grew up in the Great Depression. They made it into the lower middle class despite a lot of challenges. And they never really understood their weird and nerdy daughter, but they were always there for me in their own way. And I'll end by thanking Gary again, who's not just a brilliant scientist himself, but also is a model for what a scientist should be. He unselfishly helps everyone around him do and be better. And as a husband too, he's always been there for me. And I chose the music. I know everyone wants to know why. Because Gary introduced it to me around the time we became a couple. And it just seemed right for this occasion. And he gave me really the greatest gift of all, our daughter Abigail, who couldn't be here today in body, but is always with us both in spirit. Thank you very much.